Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis app in 2024. First of all, open the Paybis application on your phone. Click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner and select buy crypto. And then this page will open. It will have two sections, you spend and you receive. In the you spend section, you have to select the desired payment method from which you want to spend your money and buy Bitcoin. For example, it supports debit card, credit card, Revolut Pay, Skrill, Astro and much more. After selecting your desired payment method, you have to enter the exact amount from which you want to buy the Bitcoin. For example, I will enter $250. After entering the spending amount, you will see how much Bitcoin will you receive. So from $250, I will get that much Bitcoin. Then you have to select buy Bitcoin. On that page, you can also see the service fee and the network fee, which will be deducted from the original value, which is $250. It will ask you to enter your email address for verification. Enter your email address and click on continue, and it will ask for some verification, and that's how you can buy your Bitcoin on Paybis application. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.